In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Facebook business to strengthen your business account and unlock access to more Meta business features. While business verification can improve trust and enable certain tools, it does not guarantee lower ad costs. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with the account that manages your business. Next, click Settings, then open Business Settings. In the left menu, select Security Center. If your business is eligible, you'll see the Start Verification button. Click it to begin the verification process. Review your business details, including your legal business name, address, phone number, and website. Then make sure everything is accurate. Meta may ask you to upload official documents, such as a business registration certificate or tax document, to verify your business. Follow the on-screen instructions and submit the required information. After submitting your request, Meta will review your details and notify you once the verification is complete. You can check the verification status anytime in the Security Center. That's how you can verify your business in Meta Business Suite. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.